Hello and welcome. I am JV with the CyberNew team. Today we're going to cover how to do a disk cleanup. The time you would use this is if you have a lot of Windows files and you haven't done this in a long time. Usually when Windows does an update, it saves it to your hard drive. And as you can see, my C drive is currently very full. So an easy way to potentially clear up some of the space is we go down here to the bottom, which is your little start menu, type in disk cleanup, and then this little window is going to show up. And since my Windows is on my C drive, I'm just going to go ahead and click OK. And then here's a bunch of options. If you have a lot of data, as you can see on this side, I would remove most of those things. But what we're concerned with is the cleanup system files. Since I haven't actually done this in a while, we should be seeing quite a bit. As soon as you click that, you're going to see the disk cleanup drive selection once more. Click the C drive again. And then it's going to go through a little prompt here of calculating how much space you're going to save. And then this is what we really care about. So as you can see, I haven't cleaned up my Windows updates in, like I said, quite a while. So by just having this checkbox alone, I can remove 3.26 gigabytes of data. So we're going to keep that, keep everything else the same. Windows upgrade log files, you most likely won't need those either. If you're a more advanced user, maybe you'll use it, but for the most part, everyday users, no need to do that. So then all you do is you click OK. This will delete those files, and then it goes through the disk cleanup itself, and all you have to do is wait. This can take a while. I'd say 5, 10, 15 minutes, just depends on how many things it has to delete. Once it is completed, you'll just notice a noticeable difference between what I had earlier, about 6 gigs, and now it's at 7.64. It's not going to give you like a completion screen or anything like that. It's just going to disappear, and then you're going to notice an increase in your available free space. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on how to do a disk cleanup. If you'd like to see more of our videos, please subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you again.